Welcome to the 2025 Colorado Restaurant and Bar Show.
Shamrock has been participating in this show for quite some time now. We look forward to it every year.
It's a great opportunity to, meet the restaurateurs of Colorado.
We love coming here, seeing our chefs from Colorado.
We've been doing it for years. Get a lot of quality customers that come in, restaurateurs, food and beverage directors. Definitely get to speak to a lot of people in the community in the food and beverage industry.
Just getting our name out there, being present in the industry, networking with our customers, but also our manufacturers, our fellow distributors. It's been successful on many fronts.
The hottest thing that's been going for the show this year is our gluten-free, boneless wing. It's been amazing.
My favorite thing to do here at this show is be a connector, to plug people into different opportunities.
I've been with Redbird for 7 years, and we're here every year.
I think it's pretty fun. You get to meet a lot of people. We've had some great leads. I think we'll see some of my product in some local restaurants.
It's a great time. We love the Colorado Restaurant Association. It's great to see some old faces, some old friends, meet some new people, get people to try our awesome new products.
Our main goal was to connect with more restaurants. It's fantastic. We're so excited to be here.
There's a lot of great turnout. People have been fun.
It is slammed for the last 2 days.
There have been a lot more good conversations.
We're convening our first Women in Hospitality meeting, CRA Women in Hospitality, to plan some great events to support women in this industry and help them network with each other.
For Shamrock, being a part of the community is something that we really value. So that's our favorite part of this show every year, is really just getting everyone that makes our industry so special in one place.
I'm glad that we come every year, and I am looking forward to continuing it.
It's been a great show. I really appreciate the invite. We look forward to next year.